Mokokchung District Pidor 28 Koitang Assembly Constituency de by election lobole candidates par nomination file kura pichide tik dayari jai thaka dikhi paishi aro etu same aji independent candidate Imchatoba Imchanbra media lokot kota kurishe Imchatoba bra aji tai laga election symbol announce kurishe aro Imchatoba do tinda independent candidate majude pehla candidate ase election symbol announce kurubole Imchatoba bra kushigin naka political issue de tai laga approach to holistic tagibo aro vision do youths and women empowerment aro constituency laga overall socio-economic development ase. Imchatoba bra kotakura details para saisabo.
Thank you so much, the media fraternity from the Mokokchung district. It's been a very short notice, but you all were able to turn up, so I'm very thankful to all of you. It is a privilege for me to introduce my chief agent, Mr. Timjin Younger from Kansa village. And this evening I call on this press conference to declare my election sample for this forthcoming Koridang by-election. Ito ami suru noa gide, amila chief agent, Mr. Timjin Younger, Taibra Kota Ekta Bubo, ito biside Haltek Tank.
Moi Sir Imchatoba lokot takibuli lagado Koridang de candidate chida aji sop ali aji olebe sop se aldo moi Imchatoba do just policy debra moi ekdam tailo appreciate korana tailo follow thank you
Ami aji laga ami laga profile audi kan modi di si. So based on that, you can take the information about me. You do, that is for all the people. This time, you do Koridang by election day jabo in your it was a very short notice. Within 6 months, we all have care up. Amigan Chujun ase, or Chujun be so mano youngsters kani ase. Aro sob mano phal bura ase. To at the same time, we do election la do ki pro nabe bishi ola ase. To aji withdrawal la date khatam hoi jaise. To aji withdrawal la date khatam hoi jaise. Aro amigan Chujun bi kun bi withdraw kura nai. And at the same time, amigan this time itu laga election laga aji amigan independent candidate tinda laga sample by uji to aji tin baje ata de amiga sample bi ami olai uji. So I just wanted to declare my election sample today, and that is the bricks. Itu payana ase. To amila Mr. Imchatoba Imjan, they laga do coming election sample do the bricks to.
Yeah, best. Sir, leaders to Koridang. Yeah, iba national yan jangan. Iba sa nungji naya nakapolitical issue atau naya itasni contest as jadi naya kisahnya so. Nana mau kahas nama naya nakapolitical issue.
There's a very known fact that Koridang constituency is very much nationalist. So this is a known fact because the first nationalist from Koridang was also late in government, the vice president of NNC, and the legacy is still there. So we have lots of historical legacy regarding the Naga national movement. So if I get opportunity of being elected on this, then definitely it is my bounden duty to contribute, that we have different means of how we contribute in this nation building. So my approach will be holistic approach towards the Naga solution, Naga issues.
Security votes used to spill out these other votes if the election to tai ulon the parine to lakuti in ata history to agin nazi 2 times this tiki pa inasi.
Okay.
Yeah. So regarding that, Tito commit kuisye first to last. Olivi inaga spillover to this time last situation baro nibeke within this strong container of candidates idu sopi nature la wi so thamoti ke ase to regarding itu inuina aro itia kuritang de saisole last time la kuritang election de saina do there were election violence most of them only this time to candidate supra itu fearing free and fair election that he put professors crazy. So tula observation be this time kuritang pa election dito all different asin na yung una ita sala tigi ase to tula opinion ni be ito ki ase ni kuise.
Yeah, Kuritang election, everybody knows that many a times there are violence and all those things happening during the election in the Kuritang. It was happened, and many people are expecting the same this time also. But I think all the 6 of us, since we are so determined, and then almost all of us are youngsters, and then at least they are matured enough, and then we all have a same wavelength of understanding to have a free and fair ball. So I don't think we will witness such kind of violence or whatever the same. That is my I hope that in that way. Yeah. Amian election to 9 April declared Bulushi, or there's only very few days to Amigan candidate Chui Jun Hua to Idiado election laga mission dibi manupsi ase to Morombra Amila supporter kan itu mistake nugrina itu la prix day itu vote day dibi itu ikta plus aji idia Manombra ki koi thakile bi now the cloud is the year is clear that Amian sub or Amian sub itu laga hoige. So there's no doubt that we all are going to fight till the end. And for me also, my contesting is that for the prosperity and progress of the constituency, I'm contesting on this by-election, and my vision is very clear. Amila vision to itam saba sabi ase to I want to promote and then empower, work for empowerment of youth, women, and then again there are lots of scope for, especially for Koridang constituency, to look after the area of agri and allied sector, because it's a big constituency, big chunk of land is there, and 60%, 70% the people of constituency are into farming. So this is also one area where I want to work very diligently for the people of constituency. In a pishasi, itu nimide ami aji Kuritang din contest kurasi. I wish all the best to all of my esteemed colleagues for the election. So my intent is that I will appeal to the people, Manuki appeal grupo, aro free and fair and square election amitu itu ibu, and that is my intention. And then I humbly request the people, the voters of the Kuritang people, that if you find that I'm also capable of leading the people of our constituency, then you kindly vote for me. Thank you.